guys, my name is Kirti and welcome to my channel Reiki. So today I am here with my new look and also with a new video in which I am going to tell you about 10 effective face masks with the help of which you can keep your skin always glowing and flawless. So let's check out this video. Come on. After a tiring day, if you need to refresh your skin, then you need to apply this mask made up of 1 tomato and 2 tablespoons of milk. These 2 ingredients you need to grind in a mixie, and this mixture you need to apply on your face and keep it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water or maybe with tap water. This mask will definitely help you to refresh your skin. If you want to get rid of aging, then this mask will definitely help you. To prepare this mask, you will need 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera juice. You need to combine these 2 ingredients and then you need to apply this mixture on your face. You have to keep it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes or let it dry, and then you can wash it off with water, or maybe you can wash it off with you can wipe it off with a wet sponge, or you can just peel it off. It is on your comfort level. So this mask will definitely help you to get rid of your aging problem. So you can use this mask as an anti-aging mask. At the same time, if you have many spots on your face, so you can apply this mask which is made up of 1 egg white and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Again, you need to combine this both ingredients and apply this on your face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with water. This mask will definitely help you to remove your spots from your face, and so you can use this face as an anti-spot mask. So this mask you can apply for 2 to 3 times in a week or whenever it is possible to you. If you want a toned skin, for that you need to apply a mask made up of 2 teaspoons of coffee and 2 teaspoons of honey. These both ingredients you need to mix again, and then you need to apply it on your face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with water. Or you can whichever mask which I am going to tell you in this video, you can wipe it off with any wet sponge. You can peel it off if it is possible to peel, or you can just wash it with the normal plain water. So this mask will definitely help you to bring back your toned skin or to make your skin feel toned. So apply the skins whenever it is possible to you, or it is recommended to apply for at least 2 to 3 days in a week. If you wish to have a radiant skin, then you should apply a mask made up of 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. This both ingredients you need to mix, and this mixture you need to apply on your face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with water or maybe with wet sponge, or just peel it off if it's possible. This mask is definitely help you to make your skin radiant. If your skin is very greasy or oily and if you want to get rid of it, then you need to apply this mask. For this mask you will need 1 teaspoon of curcuma, that is organic haldi powder or turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. These 2 ingredients you need to mix, and this mixture you need to apply on your face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. This mask is definitely help to get rid of your greasy and oily skin. If you wish to have a flawless skin, then you need to apply this mask. For this mask you will need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of honey. You again need to combine this both ingredients, and this mixture you need to apply on your face, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. This mask is definitely going to help you to get a flawless skin. If you want a healthy skin, then you need to apply this mask. For this mask you will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1/4 teaspoon of curcuma, that is organic turmeric powder. These both ingredients you need to again combine, mix them together, and this mixture you need to apply on your face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. This mask will definitely help you to maintain your skin healthy. there are many acne on your face, there's acne problem on your face and you want to get rid of acne, then you can apply this mask. For this mask you will need 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Again, you need to combine these both products, and this mixture you need to apply on your face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. You will definitely get rid of acne. For deep cleansing your pores or for homemade cleansing milk, you can use 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of oats. You need to combine these 2 products again, and you need to apply this mask on the face and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. This will definitely be used as a normal cleansing milk and also to deep cleanse your pores. So guys, I hope you like this video and also the 10 effective masks which I have shared in this video. These masks are definitely very useful and effective to treat your skin, and also these masks are going to give you 100% results as they are tried and tested. Guys, please feel free to comment on this video. If you have any suggestions, feedback, please comment, and also please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click the bell icon so that whenever I post my video, you will get the notification of the same whenever I will post my video on my channel. So please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon which is besides the subscription button. So thank you guys for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.